What's up guys, it's been like a minute since I've done a vlog. This is a hidden location in Jamaica, you get me? So I'm going to try and see if I can see what's so hidden about this location. Ali right here, he's going to show me the place. She's going to be my tour guide for today, you get me? So make sure the place is very awesome and amazing, you hear me? Alright?
It's gonna be.
Alright. Well, I got the place you know. Think kind of skeptic. Some more light underneath us. Right. What the name of the place again? Moda Fed. Almost up, I can't down. Yo, watch your wild. Watch it. No, you ladies first.
No, I don't want that on me.
Ladies first. Alright, if you drop, you know, cancel. I never want you. Yo, it's been ages. Yo, you hear the river just sound crazy. Like a BA music I play down there. Ugh. Almost dropped. Okay. If you wait for every minute. You see me like I walk with a bag of things.
I am.
It heavy?
It's fine.
You sure?
Yeah.
Women always want to feel like yo, them always up on the top of things. Why?
That's not true.
Why? Yo, mine dropping though. Mine
I
dropping.
usually walk with like one things, but
Because the weekend. I'm tired. The place, alright. I couldn't do any form of vlogging down there because like playing music and everything. Now we are heading to our next location. Water cool still. Water very cool. Gotta walk here. Up. It's crazy. Like really crazy. Wow. Quite a few more places to go. And that's quite a fall. Alright. Alright, so we're back in the car. Let's try this up. We're going to find the next beach. Well, somewhere else to swim. Swim or just chill?
both.
Both.
Mm-hmm.
Drink, sure drink. What you drink?
Red pea soup.
Red pea soup. Don't know. Rastaman style. So James Bond beach, you say?
You could. That's right.
It's right beside the place. Right beside the place. So today I'm going on a weird little adventure. I can't wait. So guys, just stay tuned. You'll see. You're not loading, man. Yo. So we are at Aracabesa, or how you should say it.
They call it, my friend said they call it Bessa. That's my mom right there actually.
So they call this place Besa. This is going to be something new for me. I've always wanted to watch these little creatures crawl out into the ocean. This is going to be great. Let me get my gear. I have my GoPro. I got my drone. I got my camera, which I'm talking to you right now. And crap, the ISO is so high. This ISO is too high. Bring it down a bit. And switch the ND. Bring up the ISO down a bit. Shit, bring it down. And bring up the ND. Yeah. Can't shoot it without the ND. How does the sky look? Sky probably look alright.
I am
I'm gonna stop the car. So we're ready. Oh, my water. Have to always stay hydrated again. Ready?
This is my friend Pedro.
Yo, this place is so nice. It'd be nice to just send off the drone out here, so. Alright. Sim can get ready for this. Say hi to my vlog. Hi.
Hello.
Hi vloggers. Hi. 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 Hi.
Once they're washed and they're okay, they go in that bucket over there, which is a clean bucket. After we have washed all the turtles, then we count them, then we release them.